Wow, this is fun. Hey, what was that? Who is it? Hey, what's going on? Oh, it's my friend. Hi, Finn.
Hi, JoJo.
What's new?
Well, I'm just trying to write a new song.
Yeah?
Yeah, but I ran out of scales.
Wow. I know Rex the Shark is somewhere around here.
Hello, my name is Lulu, but my friends call me Lolo, but my name is really Lulu. Can I help you?
Well, hi, Lulu Lolo, or whatever your name is. I'm looking for Rex the Shark.
Lulu or Lolo, either way, it comes out the same.
Doing?
I sing. La la la.
Around, especially when you might well have found we're loyal and true to the end. Let you run away, we'll make sure you have a better day. Time heals all just like friends do. Can't catch me, haha! I'll get you, Rex! When someone sees my teeth, that's where it ends. I try to be nice, but I have to think twice. If I want some friends, I'll have to make amends.